Good morning, it's your closet quilter. Today I am working on the Holt chicken salad quilt borders. And this is a tutorial for all my friends on our Facebook page, all things Lori Holt. It's a little unclear how to do these things. Now, but there is a method. What you need is you need to cut your pieces according to her diagram in the sew along guide. You take each fat quarter and you cut it according to that diagram. And you end up with rectangles and squares. Okay? You have a pile of rectangles and you have a pile of squares from each fat quarter. Now, this is the fun part. This is the chicken quilt. And you look at the chicken quilt and you try to figure out how she did it. There's another diagram on how to, actually, where is it? I have it here somewhere. There's another diagram about, oh, here it is, about how placement, and it has all the, how you place everything. So you can see there are 4 side borders, and there are borders inside around each block. Now, you look at that and you say, okay, I need a rectangle, 2 squares, and you figure it out. So then you look at the picture and it's there. You just have to look at the fabrics and figure out how to do it. It's real time consuming, and but it is fun for some people, like my husband, who loves to do mosaics and puzzles. So I sat him down. I sat him down with the piles and I said, honey, can you do this? And I showed him the picture and he said it was too unclear. So then back in the sewing guide, sew along guide, there's a place where it's like Kiss the Cook, On the other side of Kiss the Cook, there are the borders. So it's a clearer picture. So I sat him down, I said, can you put a strip together for me to sew? And he did. So I'm sewing it. He's putting together the strips and I'm sewing it. After all, it's his quilt, so why shouldn't he do some of the work? He's loving it. He's having a great time. That is not something I would have a great time doing. So, folks, put your significant other to work. If they like this sort of thing. If you like this sort of thing, do it, by all means. I don't know what she's going to do. I think the sew along, I think it would be June something before she even gets to this. So I can't wait. I have to get this done because we're going on a trip. So, so I can tell you, ladies, ladies and gentlemen, excuse me. I know there are men that do this too. So, folks, that's all I can tell you is the borders are, there is a method. I can see that with the diagram, the sew along diagram, the block section border layout diagram that she has. And then you just look at the pictures and match up your fabrics and just do it one strip at a time. That's my best offer of how to do this. Good luck and happy sewing. Have a great day. Great quilting day. Bye for now.